So over here, you can see that I have a shape right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to divide the faces of the shape right here, the front part, into, let's say, for example, 4 equal parts. So what I can also use to do that is the edges. So to do that, I'm going to take the move tool, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on the edge right here. And I can move the edge, as you can see right here. Click and release, I can move the edge. But what I want to do is copy out the edge right here into 4 equal parts. So I'm going to press Ctrl as the edge is selected, and now you can see that I can freely move the edge wherever I want. I'm just going to go around onto the end right here and click right here, just like this. So now I want 4 equal parts, so I'm going to press 4, and then over here on the bottom you can actually see the 4 being typed, and then press / right here, 4 / press enter, and then it gets divided into 4 equal parts, just like this, as you can see right here. And then this is how you can simply go ahead right here and divide out the faces with edges inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.